ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, so hey everyone. So those who don't know me, I'm Priya Sachdeva. I'm a host of Trending Diary Show. Also, I'm a content creator. I myself host this podcast which interview people all around the world and share their stories, their life values, and life lessons. So I myself as a storyteller and content creator both.
Okay. So in today's episode, we talk about some communication skill as well as inspiring stories. So, ma'am, my first question is why we want to improve our communication skill.
So I guess communication is just a way where you can present your ideas, your thoughts in front of anyone. So communication is just not reluctant to speaking in English or being fluent in English. It's just about presenting your ideas well so the another person can understand it. So it can be in Hindi, it can be in Spanish, it can be in any further language. And the reason why we are so much obsessed with getting improvised with more communication skills, because there's a lots of hype. Even Warren Buffett said that anything, no matter whatever you're doing in your life, the one skill that you're supposed to master is public speaking, to communicate better. And it's important that no matter what idea you're thinking in your mind, if you're not able to tell it to the world, how does it worth it, right? It's important that people will relate to you. So whether we see in movies, the best movies or best books are there which we are able to understand better, right? Because they're communicating to us whatever they are thinking, the what kind of influence they want to present us, we are getting it. That's all it matters. So that's important, I guess, because no matter in what profession you are, whether it's technical, non-technical, whether it's in teaching, whether it's in podcasting or storytelling, whatever, till the time you're able to present yourself well, your ideas well, your business well, everything works.
Okay, ma'am, you can tell us very well why we want to improve our communication skill. But, ma'am, can you give some tips or some hacks by using those tips we can improve our communication skill and talk well?
Frankly, Shubh, this is something, communication is always a lifelong or evolving process, which I myself is a lifelong learner of it. So whenever I notice something, well, I continuously grab it. Okay, this is something I really want to embed in myself, whether it's from my personal life people, whether it's from someone I had interviewed before. So there is a one particular tip that literally stuck with me, which was from Kimberly Poshard. There was an episode in my show, the Positively Disney, which is secrets about the Disney which people never knew. So she has introduced one very good skill and one good story even about the Walt Disney. I guess everyone in your listeners is aware about the Walt Disney, was a big visionary and
Yeah, yeah.
Disney World and what made him do this. So the maybe aware but hardly try to implement in our life, which is a skill of listening. You know, till the time you're able to listen someone well and understand it, only then you are able to communicate. And that's something even I had felt. Communication or anything is not about just speaking. It's all about dialogues. It's all about understanding, being empathetic to other person what he's or she's going through, and able to reply well. So everything starts with listening, and then only you will be able to speak well. That's what I believe.